Welcome back to SAT Math Practice, one page at a time with hints and tricks. This is test number 7, section 4, which you are allowed to use a calculator for. Questions 31 and 32, and these are the non-multiple choice questions where you would grid in your own answers. Please find the link to the official SAT test in the description below, as well as links to the other pages of this section. If you would like to try these two problems without any hints, please pause now and do so. I'll go through a hint for both and then go through them. For number 31, the hint is already kind of given. They indicate that they want the answer in pounds, and they even give you, surprisingly, that there are 16 ounces in a pound. So that's kind of there for us. For number 32, you want to find the slope. So a reminder, the formula from slope, for slope rather, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This formula is not provided on the formula page. So this is a good one to remember, to study for the exam. Now you could also count the slope, the rise over the run, but with these fractions, it might be easier to use this formula. So go ahead and pause now to try these if you haven't already done so, and we will go through them and go over the answers. So again, for 31, they tell us they want the answer in pounds. If we know that each ounce of gold was worth $20 and the largest known mass of gold that was found was worth $62,400, then we want to divide that to see how many ounces it was. So 62,400 divided by 20 gives us 3,120 ounces, 3,120 ounces for that largest known mass of gold. And we want to know the weight in pounds. So to figure out the weight in pounds, we simply have to divide that by 16 ounces in a pound. And that will give us 195 pounds. But you're gridding in your own answer, so you would just grid in 195. For number 32, the slope of that line. So again, if you wanted to count rise over run, you could, or you could just pick two of these points and use the formula. So if I go with the 9,3/5 and the -6, -27/5 as my x1, y1, and x2, y2. You don't have to pick these 2 points. You could pick any 2 points. So that would give me 3/5 minus -27/5 is really going to be adding. They do give you common denominator. And then 9 minus -6 is really going to be 9 plus 6. And if we simplify that, we will get 6/15, or reduce it to positive 2/5. So positive 2/5. A reminder for the grid in, you have 4 columns. They actually do not require you to reduce. They would still mark it correct if you wrote it as the 6/15, because you would have room to put it in the 4 columns. You could also put it in as a decimal of 0.4. So make sure you look over those requirements for the grid in answers. Okay, that's numbers 31 and 32. Again, link below for the next page. Please feel free to share any comments, suggestions, and or requests for specific information. And if you could, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.